Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Amaji from Cambridge Global School. Today we are going to explore the living things and non-living things. So let's discover the here amazing world around us. Now we are going to learn about the living things and non-living things. Okay, if you see the picture over here, what is the thing? The things which are around us. Here you can see the trees, flowers, and the children and the animals. So these are our surroundings which we can see in our daily life. Now we'll go to the living things. What are the living things? See here, what we are discussing about now? Living things. What are living things? What are living things? Here you can see the many animals over here. So these are the animals, okay, which they can grow, move, eat and breathe. So these are the animals, they can move themselves, they can grow, they can eat, they can breathe. So these are the special things for a living things just like you. Okay, next here living things also need food, water and air. These are the basic needs for a human living things. They have to survive in their lives. What are the basic things for us living things? Food, water and air. So if it is three living things need these three things, it should be happy and healthy. So these are the things the living things they can move, they can eat, they can grow, and for that they need water, food and air. Now we'll discuss about the living things around us. Living things around us. Now we'll discuss about living things around us. Here if you see the picture over here, this is a dog. Okay, this is a dog is an animal. Dog is an animal. And what are the surroundings? Next one, plants. What is that? Plants. And here the people. Here the people. In plants, so in animals, here we can see for a few more examples of living things: dogs, cats, birds and fish. What are the animals here? Dogs, cat, birds and fish. So these all are the living things. These all are the living things. They can move and play. They can move and play. Now coming to the plants. Here you can see the trees, flowers and grass. These are the living things. So they can grow tall and make oxygen for us. So with this plants only will get the oxygen. So for basic thing is for living things they need air. So from where will get the air? From the plants. Now next one, people. So here if you see the people, they are the living things. Here you can see the many friends over here. So if your friends are there means you can make laugh and think, and you can learn the new things and you can explore the world also. Okay, so these are the basic things for living things. These are the surroundings of our living things. Now coming to the next one, non-living things. Here if you see the non-living things, so here the non-living things, they cannot grow, they cannot move, they don't want food also, they do not breathe also. These are the living things. If you compare to the living things, here the living things need food, water, air. Here coming to the non-living things, here they don't want any food and they don't want to breathe and they cannot move, they cannot grow. So these are the few examples of non-living things. Now they cannot grow. What are the they cannot grow means? Here they grow. What are they can grow? Non-living things cannot grow. Living things can grow. How? The living things start from small and become bigger, just like how you grown from a baby. Okay. Now here you can see they can move. How? The animals can walk, run, swim. Okay, even plants also move their leaves towards the sun. Okay, next they need food. So if without food we cannot survive. So we need a food. Where we'll get? From the plants we'll get the food. So if you eat the food, then only we'll get the energy. Animals also eat different kinds of food. Okay, and plants also make their own food. Now coming to the breathe. They can breathe. All living things can breathe. So all living things need air to breathe. Here, how we can breathe? We can breathe through our nose and the mouth. Okay. So now here, non-living things. Here non-living things do not grow, eat or breathe. They cannot move by themselves. Here what are the things are there? Do not grow, do not eat, do not breathe, and they cannot move by themselves. These are called the non-living things. Here, if you see in our daily life, these are all the non-living things. Here many toys are there, books and everything are there. These are the non-living things. So they cannot move themselves. Okay. Here are the non-living things. Few more examples. So toys, next books, next furniture, next water. So these are the non-living things. Okay, here if you see the toys like cars, dolls and balls, these are the non-living things. So they cannot move by themselves. Here are the books. Books also is a non-living things which help us to learn and more things. Okay, here you can see in the books many pages, pictures, everything will be there. So that is a non-living thing, but they are not alive. So here furniture. What are the furniture here? Chairs, tables, beds, which help us to sit, eat and sleep. Okay, and comfortably. Okay, they are made from wood or plastic. These are the non-living things. Now water. It is a main important role in our life. So water is also very important for living things to drink. But water itself is not alive. It flows and moves. Okay, now you understand the differentiation between living things and non-living things. Okay, thank you.